Let's start out by saying that I will not, no matter how many times you ask, give you a copy of the patterns for any of the masks that I have. You need to go to wintercraft.com, peruse through the shop, and buy the plans yourself. Wintercraft isn't a sponsor of this video, but I'm an honest man, so deal with it. I've been collecting milk jugs for a few weeks now. My kids drink a lot of milk. And now I finally have enough to start making a mask out of translucent plastic. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna start out by printing our template and then recreating each piece out of plastic. The most challenging part of this build was finding flat pieces that were big enough to make all the pieces. I ended up using 10 milk jugs for this project. So what I did was just lay down a piece of the milk jug and trace out one section at a time with a Sharpie. Then I used a ruler and a sharp hobby knife to cut clean, accurate lines. My biggest tip for any mask you build from Wintercraft is that you take a little bit extra time to be precise. With proper scissor precision, your mask won't have weird bumps or lopsided shapes. After the piece is cut, I tape it temporarily to the pattern so that it stays in place. Even if my cuts are a little bit off, making sure the bends and folds are in the proper place will help create a more perfect mask in the end. After I have all the sections for one piece done, I'm going to secure everything together with clear packing tape. So on the pattern there's dotted lines and there's dashed lines. So for the dotted lines, put the tape on the back of the piece, and for the dashed lines, put the tape on the front. Then we can wipe off the extra Sharpie marks with some mineral spirits. Rinse and repeat for all the sections of every piece. And in this mask, there's 129 of them. It's a little more tedious than making it out of paper, but it's worth it. Hope you liked this video. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. We're almost in the triple digits, guys. Serious talk now. I need some subscribers. We gotta get to triple digits. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe. Thanks so much for liking. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now.